Hello kids! Today we are going to the journey of the solar system and we will visit with a virtual reality system that can show different planets. So let's get started. I am your Captain Nova, a knowledgeable and fun space captain, and an enthusiastic and curious young astronaut, crewmate Cosmo, and a smart and tech-savvy navigator, Navigator Stella. Are you ready for an adventure through our solar system?
Yes, Captain Nova.
Great! Fasten your seatbelts and let's blast off. Our first stop is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. It's the smallest planet and has no atmosphere, so it's extremely hot during the day and freezing at night. Look at those craters!
Wow, it looks like the moon.
That's right, Cosmo. Mercury's surface is very similar to the moon's.
Next, we visit Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. Its thick, toxic atmosphere traps heat, making it hotter than Mercury, even though it's farther from the Sun.
It looks so bright.
That's because Venus's clouds reflect sunlight, making it the brightest planet in our sky.
Here we are, home sweet home. Earth is the only planet with liquid water and life as we know it.
Look at all the oceans and continents.
Earth has the perfect conditions for life, water, an atmosphere, and the right temperature.
Now we're on Mars, the red planet. It's known for its red soil and huge volcanoes.
Is there life on Mars?
Scientists are still exploring that. Mars has water in the form of ice, so who knows what we might discover.
Hold on tight. We're passing Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. That big red spot is a giant storm that's been raging for centuries.
It's so huge.
Yes, it's so big that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside Jupiter.
And here we have Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock.
Can we fly through the rings?
Not quite, but we can get close enough to see how amazing they are.
Next stop, Uranus, the sideways planet. It rotates on its side, making its seasons very extreme.
Why is it blue?
The blue color comes from methane gas in its atmosphere.
Finally, we reach Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. It's known for its strong winds and dark blue color.
It's so windy here.
Yes, Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching up to 1,200 miles per hour.
So kids, now we are going back to our Earth. Home sweet home. And that concludes our galactic tour. We've visited all 8 planets in our solar system. I hope you had fun and learned a lot.
Thank you, Captain Nova.
Welcome, young astronauts. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring and dreaming big. Mercury, smallest planet, extreme temperatures, no atmosphere. Venus, hottest planet, thick toxic atmosphere, brightest planet. Earth, liquid water, supports life, balanced atmosphere. Mars, red planet, has ice, potential for life exploration. Jupiter, largest planet, giant storm, great red spot, many moons. Saturn, beautiful rings, gas giant. Uranus, rotates on its side, blue-green color from methane. Neptune, farthest planet, strong winds, deep blue color.
If you enjoyed this, then don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe to watch more beautiful stories like this. Thanks for watching.